To use the swipe gesture as your screen lock in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap screen lock type. If currently you are using a secure screen lock type, do your screen lock. As the example, this phone is using button as the current screen lock. So we have to draw the button. In order we can change the screen lock type to another. Now select swipe. A pop-up will appear to inform you that changing to a non-secure screen lock type will remove your biometric data for your security. Thus, if you are using biometric authentication in apps, you will need to register your biometric again to use those apps. If you like to continue the process, tap remove data. Tap remove to confirm it. Now the screen lock in your phone has been set to swipe. Now turn off the screen and then turn it on again. To use your phone, swipe your finger on the screen to the left or right. As we can see, you can choose to set your screen lock type on your phone to swipe. If you like to have lock screen and its features, but don't want to type PIN, password or draw a pattern each time you want to use your phone, and also the possibility of forgetting them. However, you have to remember that choosing the swipe gesture as the screen lock, it will give you no protection because everyone can access your phone easily. So if you have important or sensitive information in your phone, it will be better if you select one of secure screen lock type, so you can prevent unauthorized person from easily accessing your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.